Okay, so this video, we're gonna go over the 4 annoyances that I have in Premiere sometimes and how to fix them. So the first thing is sometimes when you have text and so you wanna see the whole picture here and you wanna add things to the text. So let's say I wanna say June 1st. It's like, okay, that's good. Now I wanna go back to the timeline. The tilde button on a Mac at least is how you exit full screen, or how I exit full screen. And when I press it, it's just gonna add to the text because that's what's selected. And there's no option to get out of the text here. So a lot of the times I'd be stuck here and wondering how to get out of this. So the answer is you have to go to Window and then restore frame size, and then you'll get back to the timeline where then you can press the select tool. The second thing is when let's say you are going through your video and you want to say like, oh, I want to add B-roll here, so I want to add a marker here so I can put B-roll in for later. So if I were to press add marker or the M button, the M key, then the marker doesn't show up here, but it shows up here, and that's because I had this clip selected. So if I want to add the marker to up top, then I just press M without anything selected. The third thing is when I want to export something and I press Command M to export, but nothing happens. And a lot of the times it's like frustrating because why is that not working? And the reason is because I didn't have the sequence selected. Instead I had the up there selected. So I had the effects control selected, and so it doesn't work. And then I go down to the sequence, and that's how I get out of that. The last thing is when I go to let's say I go to the source clip, and I want to drag something in, and I start to drag it in, and it's only dragging audio in. I go over here and realize, oh, I didn't have the video selected. And so now when I drag it in, it'll come in with the video file as well. And those are the 4 annoyances in Premiere that I have sometimes, but also the fixes for them.